Your car is gulping down fuel like there is no tomorrow, and that sluggish engine performance is making every green light feel like a struggle. When you plug in your diagnostic tool and see the code P014C, your vehicle is telling you that the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 is essentially falling asleep on the job. This is a generic powertrain code for all OBD2 equipped vehicles, and it specifically means that the sensor responsible for monitoring the exhaust right after it leaves the engine is taking way too long to switch from a rich to a lean reading. These sensors are sophisticated pieces of tech made of zirconium dioxide and platinum electrodes that compare the oxygen in your exhaust to the ambient air outside. When the oxygen levels change, the sensor is supposed to rapidly jump between voltage levels, typically fluctuating between 0.100 volts and 0.900 volts. If this transition is slow, your powertrain control module cannot calculate the perfect fuel delivery or ignition timing, which leads to terrible fuel efficiency and a lack of power. To fix this, you need to be a bit of a detective. Start by inspecting the wiring harnesses, especially those routed near the scorching hot exhaust pipes where they often get burnt or frayed. You should use a diagnostic scanner to watch the live data stream while the engine is at normal operating temperature. You want to see those numbers dancing quickly. If the voltage is dragging its feet, you likely have a defective sensor, but do not ignore potential exhaust leaks or a failing catalytic converter. Before you swap the sensor, make sure you do not have other codes like mass airflow or manifold air pressure issues, because a poorly running engine will trick the oxygen sensor into acting slow. Always aim for high-quality replacement parts, because cheap sensors often lead to the same headache just a few weeks later. Taking care of this immediately will save you a fortune in gas and keep your engine running crisp and clean for the long haul.